Welcome to Home Staging 101 with real estate pioneer and founder of RMR, Lise DeZormo. In this preview of Home Staging 101, Lise reveals why home staging is essential when marketing a home for sale. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, Lise DeZormo.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my pleasure to present to you today the concept of home staging. Home staging is about creating a very strong emotional connection between a buyer and a home. From the first time they see your home online, to the first time they pull into the driveway, to the first time that they step into your house, we want them to experience an emotional connection that has them desiring your home above all others. Over the years, I've learned to trust the benefits that sellers receive from home staging. And I'm not alone in this opinion. Let's take a look at a HomeGain survey. What HomeGain found after surveying 1,000 real estate agents in each of the U.S. regions and based on 12 different categories of home staging improvements is a seller's return on investment ranged from 172 to 872%. The end result contributed to gains of $20,000 and more to a homeowner's bottom line. My motivation to speak with you today came with the realization that the average American will sell a home 5 times in their lifetime. Using the moderately priced home in the HomeGain survey, this means an additional $100,000 towards a healthier retirement plan. Here's my #1 rule about the real estate transaction. If emotion causes you to have an unrealistic viewpoint of your home's value, you will lose time and money. If you're too high, you will sit on the market until you become realistic about the value of your home. If you're too low, you're leaving money on the table. Equally, if you think your home's condition is ready for sale when it's not, qualified buyers will walk through your home and their negative feedback will convince you to do the work. Or worse, you'll accept a low offer for an unprepared home.
I'm Robin. I'm a realtor. Sellers most often reject the idea of home staging when I bring it up because they feel I'm asking them to spend a ton of money. How can I better approach this subject?
Yes, oftentimes sellers think that staging is expensive or only for the wealthy homeowners, but that's simply not true. Have you ever noticed how people will spend hundreds of dollars repairing and fixing up a car for sale? When in fact, a car has a blue book value, and it will never be worth more than the value in that book. It's a depreciating asset, and the value goes down every single month. On the contrary, a home does not have a blue book value. In fact, it's worth as much as a buyer is willing to pay for it. It's an appreciating asset. By spending a few $1,000s on a home compared to a few $100s on a car, you will realize an amazing opportunity. It just makes dollars and cents. Does anyone have another question? Yes.
Hi, my name's Sean. I'm putting my house on the market and I'm thinking about just giving an allowance to the buyer for home improvements.
Leaving the money on the table by letting the buyer handle the time and expense of updating the home will cost you plenty in the end. But let's take a look at an example of that, just so we could see how it might play out. Let's say you give a $5,000 allowance. But here's a telling statistic. 90% of home buyers cannot envision what a properly packaged home will look like unless the improvements are already made. They simply cannot see it. What typically happens is qualified buyer after qualified buyer turn down your home, either based on the pictures or a poor showing. Months, maybe even years pass, and you're making mortgage payments the entire time, and then finally you get an offer for $30,000 less than asking price. So let's just do the math. $2,000 a month on mortgage payments and taxes and other expenses. $30,000 less for an unprepared home. And then let's not forget about those really ugly price reductions. And all of this adds up to just a very bad approach. I implore you to take the time and invest in the product that you're selling, and it will pay off. The home staging gains are a proven fact, and numbers don't lie.